Assalamu alaikum bachcho. I hope you all are doing fine. I am here with a very interesting activity for you all today. Before that, let us first learn about time management. What is time management and why do we think is it important for us? Time management is the ability to understand the amount of time you have to complete a set number of tasks. Time management is important for us because we can prioritize all our tasks and achieve all goals faster. When we manage our time, we will be able to take on new opportunities and grow substantially to be better individuals. We will also be able to be more organized and fetch better results. Even the Prophet of Allah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam focused and emphasized on the importance of time management. In a hadith narrated by Ibn Abbas, the Prophet said, "There are two blessings which people neglect. They are health and free time." Children, let me tell you a story to make you all understand the importance of time management. Time is gold. This is the story of a lazy man who was a friend of a king. One morning, the lazy man asked the king, "Why everyone says that I can't do anything, and even when I go to a proper job, everyone refuses me. My enemies have told everyone that I never do any work on time." The king said, "Let's make a deal. Before sunset, you come to my treasury and collect as much gold and pearls as you can. They will be yours." The man rushed towards his home to his wife. He explained everything, and then, after hearing the husband, the wife said, "Go and get the gold and gems now. Time is gold for you." The lazy man sat down and said, "I can't go now. Give me lunch first." After having lunch, he decided to take a nap, but instead slept for 2 hours. Then later in the afternoon, he picked a few bags and went towards the king's treasury. On the way, he felt hot. So he sat down under a tree to rest and ended up sleeping for another 5 hours. When he finally reached the palace, it was already late in the evening. It was the time for sunset. Therefore, the palace gates had been shut before he could reach there. He lost the golden chance to get rich just because he didn't know the value of time. Time is precious. Spend it wisely and stop wasting time on unimportant things. But children, have you ever thought what are the important things that we need to do on time? Some things like getting up on time, praying namaz, eating food on time, doing homework, going to bed on time are the things that we do on a daily routine. What do you think will happen when we don't follow our proper routine? I will tell you, we will miss our deadlines, be confused, we will become lazy, and as a result, we won't be able to do well in any area of life. So, children, do you want your performance to be bad? No, right? Let us all then, in the following activity, make a timetable for ourselves. In the following slide, we will see a weekly planner. Plan the coming week and carefully fill in the information. Share the timetable with your teacher and friends. Jazakallah khair.